to improve power in table tennis.
The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding.
Right, the movement is still small, or it's too big. This is the feeling you need, look, but sometimes even if you miss. In training, you need to find this kind of feeling. This feeling is something you have to find and experience yourself. Right, that's what training is for.
Hi, I'm EmRatThich. By doing the multi-balls, Coach Zhang Jike wants the player to find the optimal timing. With this timing, you can increase the power. Follow through the ball is the key.
你不能说打完这一下，这球还没过去呢，想下一把，这个好，要这速度。动作小一点，太大。对，动作这么大干嘛？省冠加油打一波吧，大家别老看这个训练，动动大家的手指头。
Besides liking this.
好。
All right, take a break for now. Good.
来个队员。对，省冠加油打一波来。对，这个动作就够了啊。很好。
Right, the movement is still small, or it's too big. This is the feeling you need. Look. That sponge is too slippery. It's not good. See. No matter how much power you use. Look. The center of gravity is always there, right? Yes. The center of gravity is maintained. If you use too much force, the ball becomes unstable. It turns into a clash. The center of gravity is steady. It's not enough. Look at how high the quality is. If you can stabilize it, this quality is enough. It's sufficient. Don't loosen up. Your hand can't loosen up. Add power. Yes, this is the feeling. Very good. Yes, this is the feeling. Don't loosen your hand. I just told you. This is the direction of the power. But don't let your hand go completely slack. Right, it's so effortless. No need to exert unnecessary force like earlier. Explosive power is unnecessary. Yes, don't overdo it. While exerting force, make others think you're not using force. That's correct. Yes, very good. For this kind of shot, slow down, move your feet, then use force. Others are already using force. Why are you overexerting? It'll turn into a clash, right? Very good.
很好，这可以。你看这多好，这是我的发板边了，你都能拉到。这就比较自如。可以。
For some of his shots, it's not just about hitting the ball. During training, some shots, even if they miss, it doesn't mean they're bad. Sometimes when you hit the ball, you feel, oh, it's because the power wasn't aligned. But sometimes you feel like it was a smooth shot. In training, you need to find this kind of feeling. This feeling is something you have to find and experience yourself. Right, that's what training is for. Look, here, he played a shot but felt uncomfortable. Even though he made the shot, others can't tell. Right, but he himself felt it wasn't comfortable. This one was better. Very good. Okay. Let's go. What? This drill, the first ball is diagonal, the switching to the forehand.
你看这个球为什么不舒服？你要知道为什么不舒服，这几个球拉的，这个防的和你带的。是吧？打完一下再走，不要是打完一下就想第二下，第二下没打完想第三下，打完每一下再准备下一下，这多好，你不能说打完这一下，这球还没过去呢，想下一半，这多好，这组多好，这6个球很好，这9个球多好。对，别老着急，你着急下一下的时候，你这一下往往成功率就会降低了。不错，点球，这样练一练挺舒服。我问逗号，我说这样训练挺舒服。逗号给我回答了一个很沉静。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.